The curious case of has been. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into the intriguing phrase, has been. What does it mean? Where does it come from? Stick around to find out. At first glance, the phrase, has been, might make you think of beans, those nutritious legumes that you might have in your kitchen. However, in this context, the term isn't about food. Has been is actually a play on words. The term is a colloquial and somewhat humorous way to describe someone who was once famous or successful but is no longer. It plays on the past tense verb, has been, indicating something or someone that used to be a certain way but isn't anymore, and the noun, been. Imagine a famous actor who hasn't landed any significant roles in a long time. Someone might cheekily refer to them as a has-been, suggesting they're no longer relevant in the industry. To better grasp the meaning, here are some example sentences. 1. Do you remember that singer? He's a bit of a has-been now. 2. She used to be the CEO of a big company, but now she's considered a has-been in the business world. While the term can be humorous, it's important to use it with caution. Labeling someone a has-been can be perceived as dismissive or even rude. It's always best to be kind and respectful in our language, even when using playful phrases. There you have it, the story behind the phrase, has been. Now, the next time you come across this term, you'll know just what it means and how to use it wisely. Keep exploring the fascinating world of the English language, and until next time, happy learning!